Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my 2021 Power Lead System review. This is my first review of Power Lead System since last year when they created the new drag and drop system. I'm going to be talking about that. I'm going to be talking about the compensation plan in Power Lead System. And right now I'm going to say I absolutely love Power Lead System because it's been my marketing engine that's helped me promote my online business for the last 8 years. And it's also been a source of income because Power Lead System itself, for selling these products, also has a commission structure, which, like I said, I want to talk about later on. But Power Lead System is an all-in-one marketing system. It has the ability for you to make websites, sales funnels, custom landing pages to promote Power Lead System or to promote your own business. So if you have another opportunity that you're promoting, you can make those pages for yourself and for your business. We also have share codes. I talked a little bit about share codes last night in my last night's video. Share codes is exactly what it sounds like. So let's say I want to create a sales funnel to promote Power Lead System or any other business and I want to give that. I want to share that page so other people on my team can also use that same sales page to promote the business. So I can create different pages and give them out to my team if I want to. So that's a cool feature that I want to get a little more into as I move forward. But Power Lead System has its own autoresponder. So if you don't have a third-party autoresponder like Aweber or GetResponse, you can use the autoresponder in the system. You can. And the other thing about Power Lead System, it's also a huge training center. There's a lot of training in Power Lead System. If you're brand new and you want to learn some techniques on how to get out to people, we have right here. If you become a gold member, you can get this course, which goes for $300 online. It's called Endless Free Leads. This is going to teach you the skills on how to build a network on social media, and it's a really great course, and it goes for $300 online, and we get it absolutely free at our gold membership. I personally am going through this again because it's been a couple of years since I've gone through it, and they update this every year because social media is constantly changing. So, but the basics of this course is still the same. But I just kind of wanted to look at this again. But that's the key. The key to real success is building business relationships, building a relationship with your team, getting out there, getting seen, getting heard. Because in the end, you can promote any business and start getting some commissions, but if you don't make that person-to-person relationship, it's gonna make your business that more successful. Because my whole goal of my YouTube channel is to reach out to people, to inspire them. It's even people outside my team. In many of my videos, I've always said, even if you don't join my opportunity, I hope you got something out of this video or anything like that. So that course right there is free. This is a free. I guess you could call it a blueprint on how to promote Power Lead System. So I would highly recommend that you check that out as well. And then you got all the upgrades. The upgrades are also educational courses, because in Power Lead System we make $20 commissions every month off of our affiliates, and but we also have upgrades, which like this one I purchased years ago. I've already made my money back many times. It's called Free Ad Secrets. It was or the Diamond Package. It's a one-time $147 package, and I can now make $20 commissions and $100 commissions. So the upgrades, once you own these products and these courses, you can make the commissions that you can make extra commissions when you make more sales. So I'm going to talk about the compensation in a little bit, but if you do end up joining, we also have training in here, Power VIP Club, and this is also a place where you can get different share codes. So we have share codes to landing pages, and I'll show you real quick. So you can actually get a copy of each one of these share codes, and what you can do with them is you can actually change them out and reward them, and you can do like, and so you can manipulate all these pages. So you don't even have to build the pages; they're already built. But you can actually change the wording of what it says inside. So that's a cool feature here. But we also have all these trainings right here. All these trainings here. More training here. Right here we have we have 4 new Power Lead System sales funnels that promote different things. So that's our training section. I just wanted to go over that just to show you guys that you are going to get training when you do join. So the next thing we're going to talk about now is the compensation plan. So this is the compensation plan right here. Let me go back up here. So as a Power Lead System customer, it only costs $30 a month. That's if you just want to use the tools and that's it to build your business. But if you want to make money using Power Lead System, which I'm sure many of you that are watching this do, it's going to go up to $53.97 a month. But at that $53.97 a month, you're also going to get all that training I showed you. And the ability to make your pages, and you can also create websites. You can create your own website if you want to as well. So it says right here, refer three gold members, and your membership is absolutely free. So if I bring in Mark, Mary, and Sue, that's $60. That makes up for my monthly payment every month. And so how the compensation plan works is, let's say you bring in Mark, Mary, Sue, and Joe. They all pay you $20 every month. Every time their subscription renews every month, you get a $20 commission. And on top of that, this is an example here. Let's say Joe this month made $1,000. In Power Lead System, every single compensation plan for all our products has a residual component to it. So you get a 50% matching bonus on your referrals pay line. So he makes $1,000, you make $500. Here's a few more examples right here. Let's say Mary makes $980, you make $490. John makes $1,800, you make $900. Sue makes $3,500, you make $1,750. Tom makes $400, you get $200. You get a 50% matching bonus on the entire pay line of all your referrals. So not only you get the $20 commissions, but you get the 50% match bonus as well. So we're going to move on now to the upgrades. Like I said, all our products are educational courses that are actually going to help you in promoting your business to get better, to gain skills. We got the first one, which is the Diamond Package or Free Ad Secrets, and that's a one-time purchase of $147, and you get $100 commissions and then unlimited $25 overrides. So what that means is, let's say Joe comes in, he buys the diamond package, I get $100, and let's say Joe brings in Mary. Mary comes in, she also purchases the diamond package. Joe gets $100 and I get $25 every time one of Joe's referrals purchases the diamond package. So I get $25 every time. So the same thing, it's the same compensation plan for these two as well. And except in this case, this is Social Profit Academy or the Platinum package. And that gives you $400 commissions and then unlimited $50 overrides on your refer. So every time your referrals purchase this product, you get $50, and like you got $25 up here. And then right here, Master Traffic Institute, it's a one-time $1,497, and you make $1,000 commissions and $200 overrides. And this one's actually, I didn't say it, $497 one time, and you get these. So every single one of these products are courses. So not only are you purchasing these products, but you also have extra training that you can use. So that's the compensation plan. Now let's say since I already have this package right here, let's say Joe didn't purchase this product, and then he does bring in Mary, and she purchased this product because she found out about it and she wants to make those extra $100 commissions. What's going to happen is that $100 commission is going to pass Joe and go to me because I'm the next person who purchased this product. So I'm the next person qualified to earn that commission. So you may not buy the package, but one of your referrals will. And what's going to happen is that commission is going to go past you and go to me. So that's how the compensation plan works. And let's see. Yeah, so that's the compensation plan. So you get all of this stuff. You get the Power VIP Club, the training. Also, when you first join, if you go right here where it says training area, this is where you're going to find all of your system videos. So these are all the videos on how to use the web page builder and the different things that other parts of Power Lead system that you need to know. So this is definitely something you should check out and go over once you join. Also, we have more training in here as well. We have replays of all our weekly trainings. Like I think I said earlier, every Wednesday and Thursday we have different trainings that you can watch every night, or every Wednesday and Tuesday night. We have more marketing training here. So definitely check all this out. And that's pretty much it, guys. Oh, that's the thing I want to show you real quick. Our new drag and drop system. So I'm just gonna create a quick page here. Okay, so this is our drag and drop system. These are all our blocks. We have call to actions, capture pages, different content. So I'm going to create a website real quick. All right, so I'm going to do this call to action right here. Boom, that's the top. That can be the text if you want. And then next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a video in here because I want a video. Where is it? Here we go. No, it's under components. Right here where it says media. So you can put a YouTube video here, or you can put a Vimeo video. So whatever you want to choose. I have YouTube, so wherever you see that blue bar, that's where the top of the video is going to go. So we're going to drag and drop that there. Next thing I want to do is let's see. I'll put a features here. Let's see what this is. No, that's not what I want. Put that right there underneath. Boom. Okay, go back here. I'm just doing something real quick. I'm not really putting any thought into this. I just want to show you how quick it can be to create a page here. So we did content. Let's do features. That's not. Is that what it is? Nope. And then put a contact box down here. So I just did something like real quick. I'm not really I just want to show you how quick you can actually build a different page. If I wanted to, I could change out this picture here. Go here to design, I think image. So we have a library of different things, different video, different pictures and stuff. If you have a hosted picture you want to, and you have the URL, you can put it here. But we also have all these different pages here. Like I could change that picture out with that, hit apply. The things you can do with this system is awesome. It really is. If I want to change this out here, this picture right here, I can change background image. Let's see. So you can put any picture here. So that's how you can do any kind of things here. Wherever you see the T, that means you can change the text out. So you can put any text you want there. Wherever you see the pencil, that's actually going to give you more options. Like you can change the font size. You can make it 45. You can make it bigger or something like that. So I'm just showing you this real quick just to give you a quick idea of stuff you can do. Now, I also want to show you how easy it is to change out a video. So I'm going to use one of my videos. So let's go. I'll pick this one right here. I'm going to copy the URL in here. And every YouTube video has this code at the end of it. So what we're going to do is going to get rid of all that and just leave the code. And what we're going to do is we're going to hit apply changes. And look how fast I was able to put a video in here. So And then you can see what it will look like on your phone too if you go right here. So this is what it'll look like on your phone, so you can get an idea of what it looks like. So this is just a quick thing I just wanted to show you guys. It doesn't look like the most attractive thing, but it just gives you an idea of how you can make different pages and put different blocks in here and everything. So that is the drag and drop system. So what we're going to do now is we're going to pretend save, or we're going to save it and then exit. And then we can just change it, put it demo, and then hit save changes. We'll just keep this demo page, hit submit. And then we'll just test it out now. So here it is, that page I just made. So that is the drag and drop system. There are training videos in the training section, and so that's that. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you do want to join Power Lead System, the link will be in the description below. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button below this video, and also make sure you hit the notification bell next to it so you'll be alerted when I upload new content. Let's get out of that. Also, if you do end up joining, I will send you my welcome page here. This is going to actually help you get started. I'll go through the back office and talk about some things that you should know about, and just to help you get started. And then I also have a link to my Facebook page, so if you want to send me a friend request, and here's another link to my YouTube channel. And then here's a link to the Power Lead System Facebook group. So it's important that you join that group because there is a lot of support in there, so especially if you're new and you have any questions. I also added in this page, I also added this this video of how I created this welcome page in the new drag and drop system. So you can check that out as well. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's Power Lead System. It's been my marketing engine since 2013, 8 years. It's a solid company. I've never not gotten paid my commissions every Wednesday, and the customer service, if you have any issues with your system or anything, and you contact customer service, they'll help you right away. I've had a couple issues over the years that I contacted customer service, and they were able to help me with my situation. The other means of support here is also join this Facebook group. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to these. There's over 47,000 people in this group. In here, we'll welcome you, and we also show income proof here for our newbies to show them that the system does work and different things. We have people in here also giving extra trainings and encouragement. So that's it, guys. Let's see, is there anything else? Trying to think. If you do end up joining, you can just click the easy button here. There'll be a video in here and some instructions. That'll set everything up. Again, at the very least, turn these first three green. And at the very minimum, upgrade to the $147 package here, so you can at least make the 20 and the $100 commissions, because I'm not just saying this because I'm going to benefit from it. I want my team to be successful. That's part of the reason why I created this channel. I wanted to help people, and I want to help my team do the very best that they can. And that's why I'm not just promoting just the diamond package. I haven't purchased this one and this one, and I still told you about these. In the not too distant future, I will be upgrading to the platinum and at some point Mass Traffic Institute. So it's gonna happen because there's a reason why we tell people to go all in as soon as they can, because you want to make as much profit in your business as you can, and that goes for any opportunity that has upgrades. Like Newbies on Fire, I upgraded up to the $250 one because I wanted to make more than just $25 commissions. So that's why we promote this, and that's why these products are here. They're here to help you, and also for you to make more profit in your business. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm really excited to be making some more videos for you in the future, and this summer I'm really gonna start making more and more videos. I'm gonna really push myself. I want to grow my YouTube channel. I'm over 100. I'm like 120 now. I want to get that number up, and I want to help as many people as I can to do this. So I'll see you guys all in the next video. Again, hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell. And also, all my information will be in the description below, including the link to Power Lead System and my contact information. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.